Hey everyone, it's Jake here, back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your MIDI controller to your MIDI keyboard. So the controller I'm using is the M-Audio Keystation 49E, and then the MIDI keyboard I'm using is the Yamaha Psr-E223. I'll leave links to them in the description, so if you want to, check them out, they'll be in the description below. The Yamaha YPT-220 is the same thing as the Psr-E223, just a different manufacturer. So what you're going to need for this to work is you're going to need your MIDI controller, your MIDI keyboard, and then if you don't have a power supply, a 9 volt to 12 volt power supply for your controller, you'll need a cable that you use for a printer to hook the controller to your laptop so the laptop will power the controller. Then you'll also need a 5-pin DIN MIDI to connect the controller to the keyboard. So let's get started by hooking the USB to the controller and the laptop. So your USB, this end goes into your controller like that. And then this end goes into your laptop. Okay, so you want to make sure the controller is powered off, and I will tell you why in a bit. So then this cable, one end goes into the MIDI out of the controller, like that, and then your other end goes into the MIDI in on the keyboard. Okay, so the reason why you need the controller turned off before you do this is because to turn this all on, you need to turn on your MIDI keyboard first, and then your MIDI controller. If you do it the other way around, by turning this on first and then this, you're going to corrupt your keyboard, and you won't be able to use it anymore. So we're going to turn on the keyboard, and then we're going to turn on the controller. Okay, so they are both on. So now, if I play the controller, you should hear the piano sound from this keyboard. There you go. The volume control on the controller, it's a slider. It also controls the volume of the keyboard. So there you go, it's quieter, louder. You can change the octave from the controller. You can use the modulation wheel on the controller. You can use the pitch bend. And then in order to change the sounds on the keyboard, you would go and hit advanced functions. You would go to the last F-sharp key, and then from the third G to the last B is your different sounds that you can choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and hit G, and then the last white key, which on this controller is C major, you hit that for enter. And you have to actually be quick, otherwise it changes back. So okay, so in order to get another sound besides the piano, so let's hit advanced functions. The last F-sharp key, we'll choose E and then enter. There you go, there's the electric piano. You can turn the mod wheel off too if you want. You can use a pitch bend. You can connect a sustain pedal to the MIDI controller too. I just don't have one for the controller, otherwise I would hook it up. And then to turn off the system, you need to turn off your MIDI controller first, and then your keyboard, because again, if you do it the other way around, you're going to corrupt your keyboard system. And I will go in depth a lot more with this controller in a different video. I didn't want to make this video too long, so if you would like me to do a tutorial on the M-Audio Keystation 49E, please comment down below and I will do that for you. So if you thought this was useful or helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more daily content. I will do more tutorials like this one, and I will also upload remixes and my original music. And please give me a thumbs up if you liked it, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!